What's up, everybody? This is Bo. Welcome to the next episode of the van build. So a van conversion. I'm working on the wall panels right now, wrapping with the Sunbrella Fabric. So first I cut to make sure everything fit, screw them on, everything, take them off, and then cut the fabric to fit, leaving about 1 inch oversize. So, and then I sprayed with the 3M90 glue evenly, and then leave it about 1 minute so that the glue dries out. You're supposed to leave about 1 minute, and then lay down the fabric, put the board back in, and then smooth them out. And so far so good. And then I'm making the screw holes using this heat hole, whatever that's called, to poke the hole through the fabric. So now I'm ready to take it to install it. Let's go how it looks. So what I did before I apply the fabric, we measure everything, even inside here, because these headliners has it's like a clip right here to go inside the wall to keep it tight. And I pre-made holes like this, you know, measure them and mark them, pre-made the hole. So now the fabric, put the fabric over, and then also leaving those holes so that can go right in there, and then keep it kind of hidden too. So this wall is going to go up 4 inches inside the headliner, so it doesn't show anything. And let's go ahead and install that. Let's see if I can do that. One at a time. There. And then make sure the screw holes here align. Check this out. All the panels are done. It took me all day to do this. Man, frustrated, but I get them, you know, all down. So that's the best I can do. The one thing I don't like is the black screws kind of stand out too much. So I am going to order stainless steel screws that maybe goes a little bit better than the grayish color. It doesn't stand out, so you don't see all the screw heads too much. So that's on the way. And also I put LED strip lights here because we don't want to go crazy on the lights on this one, because there's no added solar or any solar battery or anything like that. This is all starter battery. This thing also changes 3 different colors. This is a 3000K, no, I think it's a 45,000, and then this is a 3000K, and then there's a what's next one, 6,000K. So there you go. And then tomorrow continue. I'm gonna install this sliding door I have to still have to do, and install a seat base for future single seat installation. So not much else to do. Well, think about it tomorrow. So yep, good night. This morning I start with wrapping the sliding door panels, but it doesn't start well because timing these, the glue, the way you spray it, and the timing to apply the fabric on this, it's very crucial. If you waited too long, the glue will dry out. If you apply it too early, the fabric gets wet. This is what I mean. So if it gets wet, it will show on the other side like this, right? And then this you cannot redo because you have to waste it. And I wasted one on the sliding door panel, the big one already, and now this smaller one. These fabrics are $29, almost $30 a yard. You don't want to waste. So extra careful. This is my second one. So gotta be careful. So I'm done with the sliding door. I just finished the B pillar here. I'll install these. And so my hardware arrived. The stainless steel hardware. So I think I mentioned earlier that it was an M6, but these are not M6s. These are Hexpo 1420. Yeah, 1420, and there are different lengths. Okay, you can see here. This is 1.5, and I have the 2 inches ones that I'm gonna replace all of these, and then the vertical ones are gonna be the longer one because in the future we are going to have install the bed on this side. So that's for that, and that's next. I'm just doing a touch up to pick up all of these. So, and next I'm going to adjust the existing overhead storage over there, kind of make it a little bit lower, and so there's more room up there. That was requested by the owner. So yep, almost there. Guys, I switched out all the black screws with the stainless steel screw and a little bit longer. There are 1.25 inch and also the 2 inches on the vertical, some vertical side. For the future, we're gonna build the bed. This van's gonna come back and get the platform bed done. But you can see what a difference, huh? Stainless steel, it goes better with the gray color, so it doesn't stand out that much, so you don't see all the black spots all over the place, the screw head. So all right. Oh, wait a minute, one more screw here. Okay, besides that, we are pretty much done with this van. That's all we have to do at this time. So that was a really good experience with this van. Right, took me 2 weeks in total of everything. Yes, it is officially done, everybody. This van is completed. This is all we're gonna do at this time. There will be a future round number 2. The van has to go somewhere, get some work done. So it's gonna be a platform bed later. You can see we got enough two strip lights, LED lights with the remote control here. Let's see if I can turn it on off from here. There we go. And on, there you go. You can do one side or you can do both sides. There. White color. Pretty cool. But anyhow, it was quite a challenge, actually, quite a challenge to build this one. Wrapping the wall is not my favorite, let me tell you that, because you gotta do it very precise. I wasted some fabrics. Okay, if you want to know how much fabric it took for the 144 wheelbase like this, prepare for 11 yards. Okay, it takes about 11 yards. That's the walls, panels, the sliding door, top and the bottom sliding door as well, and then the two little ones on the rear doors here. So it was 11 yards total. And this is Sunbrella Fabric. I can reference that on the link below if you want to use the same thing. They also have the waterproof kind, or this is anti-fade. They use this material for a lot of van builds, or they also use it for, you know, outdoor patio furniture and stuff like that. So again, three layers of insulations, hardwood floor. That's what I did. And what else? The overhead storage there, it was original, but it was so high. I cut 2 inches and brought it down, so it has more room now for storage. Rear B pillars here I installed. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys learned something from here. Oh, one more thing I want to point out. If you're gonna buy the wood and you plan to first, stop squeaking. Plus, hey, shoot, buddy, let me talk a little bit. First, like play toy. If you buy just the wood that's already pre-cut like that, and you plan to wrap it, prepare for the tightness. It's very tight because when they cut the wood, it's perfect fit to to the size of the van, the wall shape and stuff. When you add the fabric, it adds a little bit of that cushion, a little bit, so it's super tight together. That means your holes, screw holes, a little bit misaligned, and if you don't, with the rev nut, if it's not straight, it's hard to screw in. So sometimes I had to like use the knife to kind of make that you know, cheat it a little bit to get it straight in. Yeah, so prepare for that. If you buy the already pre-wrapped walls, that would be good. So what else? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next episode. I have another one coming that is partial build. I'm gonna take sometime a little bit of break and then order more stuff before everything. When everything arrives, then we'll bring in the van and start doing that. That one is no rush. Okay, so this is Bo. I thank you for watching all the way to the end. Please share, please subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.